In this video, we will show you how to use the settings menu to customize your UniControl 3D system. First, access our settings by pressing and holding your finger in the top right corner. And from here, we press the small yellow gear above the safety helmet. In here, you can access the settings menu, which includes what is called regional settings. It's here you change the language and coordinate systems and similar things. You also have your point code overview. Here you can access all the point codes that has been uploaded to your system and the point codes that you've created. You have look and feel, which we will try to access today. This is where you find the most used setup functions. Among other things, you have your sounds. Here you can enable sound for log points, and you can turn your beeper on or off if you want sound when you approach your specified tolerance. You have your run screen. From here you can, among other things, change background colors and line widths. Our joystick buttons is functional, provided you have set it up correctly for the machine. Under others, you have the option to enable some additional functions, such as the Android status bar, which indicates the time and the similar on the top of the screen. You can move your toolbar from right to left, and then you can activate power saving and other features. When we go back and down into tolerances, you have the option to change the defined tolerance here. This means you can adjust how precise you need to be before your value boxes change from green to yellow and yellow to red. You can also change the tolerances for side distance and cross slope. In addition, there is something called bucket edge zoom. Bucket edge zoom defines how close you need to zoom in on your bucket before the machine disappears, and only your cutting edge is visible. You can also adjust something like 3D rotation speed.